Let's go. I play whatever I want to, T-Rex. Oh. That's pretty. Good stuff, man. Yo, what's up, James? Good stuff. See you later, Mega. Great to have you, James. Bejeweled came out way before Candy Crush did. Yeah, Bejeweled was like the original. PopCap, man. PopCap was where it was at. Yo, thank you so much for the 300-bit cheer there, Camo Derp. I forgot to mention, do you like Samba? I do. It's all right. Thank you for the $3, man. I really freaking appreciate it. Candy Crush is basically Bejeweled, but with more microtransactions.